India is the most dangerous country because 9% primary resistance of tuberculosis. Bus, taxi, anywhere you can get TB. Medicalization of society. We are pushing people into the bottomless pit by giving our treatment. But all that we did has no impact on society, because whether you treat them or don't treat them, the curve is the same. It has only shifted a little because you have sent them a little early to the other world. See here, this is 17 studies of blood pressure treatment in the world, starting from the original MRC study of mild to moderate hypertension, the European study, the Australasian study, and now come to every study, EWPST and everything. And all the studies together showed that relative risk reduction is very good, but absolute risk reduction is hardly anything. You know the two things, relative risk reduction and absolute risk reduction? You don't know. Very interesting. We fool people in the paper showing only the relative risk reduction. We don't tell them about absolute risk reduction. I have treated 100 patients, 5 of them survived. 10 should have died, but only 5 died. So I have reduced the risk by 50%. My statistical estimate is this group of patients, I predict 10% must die. I have given the treatment, only 5% died. So 50% reduction. That's called relative risk reduction, RRR. If you took absolute risk reduction, you have done nothing. So all these blood pressure trials have showed that you did nothing. What helped them is change of mode of living, tranquility of mind, food and moderation, and proper diet, and they all survive and have, irrespective of what the blood pressure is. Come now, we say we have controlled all the infections. Long before we even came on the scene, infections had almost disappeared. There are better graphs than this. This one graph I have showed you how even before the BCG had come, tuberculosis had almost come to that level. But now, from 1900, tuberculosis is going up. India is the most dangerous country because 9% primary resistance of tuberculosis. Bus, taxi, anywhere you can get TB. This is incidence of TB going up globally. We say we have a very good, we have treatment, we have this, we have DOT, we have this, and sanatorium and all. This is a fantastic study. They took 5,000 Swedish men and then told them, one group, you told them do what you like, their control group. The other group, they were told, come to us, free, we will give you treatment for everything and we'll correct everything. So you see, after 15 years, 3 times more people died in the intervened group. The control group are very happy going about. Then somebody said, okay, that is all total death, but heart death would have certainly come. See, heart death. Twice the number of people died in the intervened group. Blood pressure, you must control it. Otherwise, it's the silent killer, will kill everybody. And we have been killing people after 5 years of treating blood pressure. Now, this is our effort for the last about 15 years. And Professor Rustum Roy was the founder. And we have been able to get that. This is a journal. And this, my co-editor-in-chief is the Professor Rustum Roy. He was in the beginning till he died. Then now Hans-Peter Dior, Nobel Prize, Emeritus Director, Max Planck Institute. And this is Hans-Peter Dior. He's 86. He came over 2 months ago here, lectured. Now this is the editorial board. You see the who is who in the world of science all over the world. And this is the first editorial board. Rustum Roy here. Joey Jones, one of the greatest cancer surgeons, who does not treat cancer with his treatment, but with pranic healing. And our friend Hans-Peter Dior. Friends, we are in the Ne plus ultra stage. We know everything, there's nothing beyond us. So we have our study, our publications, everything. That was the Spanish flag before America was discovered. Ne plus ultra was their choice. Like Satyameva Jayate, which is also not true. Anratameva Jayate na Satyam, that's what's happening in India. Now come to the flag now. After Columbus discovered America, they knew there's something more. So they removed that Ne. They call it as plus ultra, more beyond. So friends, science has to go from Ne plus ultra to plus ultra. Thank you very much.